guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dolphin. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also subscribe if you're new. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's episode, we are going to make kuku kienyeji. Kienyeji chicken is very common here in Kenya, and I'm going to show you two different ways of making kienyeji chicken. You can make it with soup, or you can also make it without soup. I'm also going to be cooking it with ugali, but you can eat with rice, with chapati, with so many accompaniments. So let's get started. Ingredients: you'll need onions, 2 chopped onions. We also have 2 tomatoes, 1 chili, and also have black pepper and paprika. Next, you're going to add tomatoes. So guys, the next thing that I'm going to add are my spices. Here I have black pepper and paprika. This is how you cook ugali. If you guys need a detailed recipe of how to cook ugali, please let me know on the comment section. today's video, guys. Also comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll also leave the recipe in the description box. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. We're almost 3,000 subscribers, and recommend my channel to your friends, to your family, to everyone else that you know. I would like to gain more subscribers, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Follow me on Instagram, the link will be down here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.